Go. Hi guys, today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. All you need is a millimeter measuring cup, a plastic water bottle, some hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, dry yeast, and optional food coloring, a spoon and a small cup, some hot water, or it can be cold too, and you'll need some teaspoon measurements, and a cardboard box in case it spills. So first put the water bottle here, get your millimeter measurement, and pour 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. So let's get started. Okay, that's about 100 milliliters, and then just pour that straight into the bottle. Spills are okay. And then you get your dish soap and just a squat. Sorry for the background noise. That should be enough. And then some food coloring, optional. Okay, let's just start with the yeast. So get some 4 teaspoons of water, hot or cold. Okay, and I forgot to put this food coloring. Just put it in like a drop. Yeah. And then mix this. And then just put it down. And then after you put the 4 teaspoons of hot water, I'm gonna put 1 last teaspoon. You get a spoonful of dry yeast. This is smelly, but it's okay. And then mix it good, and here's the bomb. Get ready? It's the bomb. Okay. And then pour that right in. You see it rising up? And the main thing that makes this go up is the hydrogen peroxide. And look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, we have elephant toothpaste. Okay, bye. See you guys in the next video. The goal of this activity is to introduce chemical reactions and limiting reactants in an attention-grabbing way. First, the elephant toothpaste reaction is set up. In this reaction, the bottle will feel warm to the touch because it is an exothermic reaction. This means that the chemical reaction releases heat as it occurs. The opposite also demonstrates a chemical reaction. An endothermic reaction would feel cool to the touch.